My pleasure, yeah. I'm just a little terrified getting touched. Yeah.
Okay, so, what bill shall I pay? Or should I pay that bill, or should I eat this week? So it's left me in a bit of debt. Let me know what I've been doing. Alfie, don't even hunt.
Weirdo, now you've got it on your nose.
What are you doing, silly sausage?
School cuisine and modern techniques.
I'm going to fall through some crispy bacon, and then I'm going to do a little.
I love the idea of cooking his spare ribs in a pressure cooker to make sure that they're lovely and tender.
You want it to be oozing, melting off the bone, beautiful and moist, and of course it's going to be full of spice. He's doing a side dish of cumin peas and parmesan and bacon. We've got an alternative